Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the stamp set Cherish the Season. So if you were part of my paper share this year, I gave these Memories and More Wonder of the Season cards as a gift for the paper share. I usually give something like that. And I think I have 5 of these. So, but I didn't pick up the Wonder of the Season Memories and More card pack. So I'm just going to do a very simple card. This is one of the cards that I sacrificed. I was going to use Whisper White, but if you notice, sometimes the card packs, they're not exactly the same color as Whisper White, and it would throw off the continuity of the card, really. So what I did was I sacrificed one of the cards and one of the envelopes. And I made, what was it, 3 by 2 inch squares. And then I cut off, I think about 1/2 inch off of the envelope. And so I'm doing all my stamping first. And this is, I'm using Cherry Cobbler, I believe. And I'm just using this strip there for placement because I will be putting that strip on my little white rectangles there, but I'm just holding it as a place marker for now until I get around doing that. So I've stamped all 4. So I'm going to have 4 cards and envelopes with this creative grouping of simple cards today. So this, I've put adhesive on that strip. Sorry, I got a hiccup there. I was drinking water. And I've just cut off the excess. I'm trying to use as least as possible. That little piece is not going to work, but the other piece will for the next one. And I tried to cut as many 1/2 inch pieces as I could. And then that way I will have as much, but I try to use as little as possible just in case I want to create something awesome afterwards. So this is the foil, the red foil that comes in our catalog. And again, I just think it's called foil pack or something like that. It's not on the page of the catalog that I can see right now, but and it wasn't Cherry Cobbler, but it is shiny. And since the Memories Wonder of the Season Memories and More card pack and envelope, since they're shiny, I think this kind of goes. I'm also using the 'Tis the Season 6x6 Designer Series paper. And I forgot to measure that, but I can do it straight away here. It's just going to fit right inside of the card. So 4 inches wide, 3 inches tall, and I've chosen 4 different designs. So I've put dimensional adhesive on the back of my focal point. And now just adhesive on the back of this Designer Series paper, 3x4. And of course, now I'm just folding up all the cards. And if you're lucky enough to be one of my customers, I am going to be doing let's say like an online class, a free online class in the VIP Facebook page. So if you haven't joined up yet, you might want to. I know my customers by name, so I will approve your entry into the VIP social club. And then I'm going to be doing 3 card projects, or 3 paper projects, I should say, featuring the Cherish the Season bundle. So I thought that it was a very affordable bundle. It's only $47.50, and it is a lovely one. And I'm going to feature, a couple of of ways that you can utilize it. So I have let's see, what is this? This is the Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack. It's not the green ribbon, obviously. It's just a gold little twine. I'm attaching it with glue dots, and I am placing them on the front of the cards. So this is a very simple design. There's lots of layers to it, but there's very simple stamping, and you will find all of the supplies on page 31, save for the foil. I think that's on the next page over. And I am embellishing the cards now with the wonderful gems, and I have been using the wonderful gems quite a bit. I quite like them this season. So I hope that you get inspired by making a couple of these cards. I am trying to do as many Christmas cards as I can because I have a lot of people to send Christmas cards out to. So yeah, you might see a similar video like this where I'm doing, a couple of cards in the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, share, all the things. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.